Are you struggling to make your circle look round and flat? Maybe it's bulking, or maybe it's turning into a bowl. Let me tell you, the struggle is real. A lot of people are fighting this battle, me included. So today I'm gonna tell you when and why this happens, and I'm gonna show you how to fix it. And as always, you can change the subtitles and you can change the speed of this video by clicking the settings below. So let's get started. So here we got 3 circles. On the left, we have the flat circle, the way it's supposed to look like. In the middle, we have the potato tip. And this is what happens if you have too many stitches per round. And to the right, we have a bowl. This is what happens if you don't have enough stitches per round. To avoid these problems in the future, you need to remember this rule. For each round, you should increase with the amount of stitches you put into your magic ring. Let me show you. Here's a magic ring with 6 single crochets worked into it. So, on round 1, I have to add 6 stitches to the 6 stitches I already have. So I will put 2 single crochets in every stitch, ending up with a total stitch count of 12 stitches. By working an increase in every stitch, I have doubled my stitch count. And now I have 12 stitches. Round 2. I have to add 6 stitches to the 12 stitches I already have. So I will put an increase in every second stitch, ending up with a total stitch count of 18 stitches. Round 3. I have to add 6 stitches to the 18 stitches I already have. So I will put an increase in every third stitch, ending up with a total stitch count of 24 stitches. And you just continue doing this until your circle is the right size. Alright guys, that was all for today. If you have any questions, just write me a comment in the comment section below and join the Hobbii community by subscribing to our channel. We'd love to see you there. Bye!